Hey, good morning. Jacinth, are you here already? Yes, there she is. Jacinth, please lead the prayer for today, okay? You may now start. We ask them if they're ready.
Are you ready to pray, classmates? Say I. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Our Father in heaven, we dedicate this day to you, our God. We surrender our activities, our thoughts, our plans, our lives, and everything we have now. Thank you for our Savior, Jesus Christ. Thank you for the Holy Spirit, for guidance and for wisdom. We ask you, O God, for the redeeming the Holy Spirit in our hearts so that all that we do today is in line with your purpose. Give ear to prayer, O Lord, as we pray for Mary, Greenfield Academy, our beloved school, our rooms, our church, and our country. We pray for the board of directors, our teachers, our families, and our friends. Help us, Father God, to always do what is pleasing to you. Help us to be decent. Because if we seek your face in the morning, you will be with us all through the day. In this we pray in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Everyone,
Give us
give
this
us.
day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sins against us. And do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from the evil.
Amen.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour of our death. Amen.
Amen.
Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
At this one, the beginning is now and ever shall be world without
And
end.
amen.
Saint Francis of Assisi,
Pray
Pray
for
for
us.
us.
Our Lady of Lourdes,
Pray for
Pray for
us.
us.
Pray for us.
Saint Augustine, our beloved patron.
Pray for
Pray
us.
for us.
Pray for us.
In the name of the Father, and of the
And
Son,
the
and of
Holy Spirit.
the Spirit.
Amen. All right. So I'm just going to change my. Hi, good morning to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, sa inyo. It's Friday already. Weekend's na weekend. Okay, so tayo ay naghihinay-hinay sa aking tuturo. Kasi nga, we're almost done sa ating book, ano? Yung sa book na ginagamit para kayo magkaroon ng module. Halos patapos na. Nasa Windows 10 na. After this, internet na yung ating papag-aralan. Actually, internet is the last part of your book eh. But kung matatapos kagad natin, of course, I'm going to look for, ako na siguro mag-iisip ng ng ituturo sa inyo. Whatever it is, tignan natin kung anong pwede para sa inyo. Okay. So, saan na ba ako? Nawala na. So last time, we started discussing about Windows 10, di ba? Particularly, the topic was the desktop of Windows 10. So yun ang ating maging main topic, the desktop. So let's start our today's lessons reviewing the parts of the desktop. Yeah. So first natin, ito yung mga small pictures. What do you call this? Yung small pictures na to.
Icons.
Ano ulit?
Icons.
Yes, icon. So icons ang tawag dito sa mga small pictures na to. Representing the different programs that are installed on your computer. So once that you click this, halimbawa, ito, nawala kay mouse. Yan. So halimbawa, this is the VLC player. Once you click this twice, left click, left mouse button. Once you click this twice, so mag-open ang VLC player. Yan. So ganoon din sa iba, no? This is the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, the Acrobat Reader. Oh, may control panel pa pala rito. So yan, ano? Alright, so let's look closer, no? Kung I just don't know kung makikita niyo ng malinaw sa inyo. So ito yung mga tinuro ko sa inyo na icons. This is the recycled bin, network, this PC, and dito naman, no? Ito yung users files. So instead of users files, ang lumabas diyan is Dell. Kasi yung naka-register na name sa kanyang computer, kung kanino man 'yan, is Dell. So instead the users files, ang makita yung pangalan, ang nakalagay na yung pangalan na naka-register. Yan, so Dell. There you go. And then this the whole background is called the wallpaper. Yan. And then itong part na to, yung left bottom corner. Okay, this is my mouse, ano? Ito. So anong tawag dito? Nasa pinakababa. Ito yung mouse. Ito yung mouse. Oh.
Button.
Yes, that's the start button. And the whole bar at the bottom, yung buong to, is the
Taskbar.
yes, the taskbar. And lastly, yung nasa right ng taskbar,
Notification area.
yes, that's the notification area. So yun, ano? So yun yung ating mga pinag-aralan last time. Continue lang natin ngayon, ano? So yun nga, yung sabi ay, nawala tuloy ang aking... Alright. So yun nga, balik natin yung icons. So icons are small pictures. Yan na. Based on your module, these are the small pictures displayed on your desktop representing the programs installed on your computer. So gaya sabi ko kanina, you're just going to double click kung alin man programs na nakalagay dito, kung alin mang icons. Okay, go ahead. You're just going to double click dito para mabuksan nyo yung program na yon. Okay. Next is yung ating digital background. So the whole digital background na to ay tinatawag na wallpaper. Yan. So yung design niya depende sa themes, ano? But by default ng ating Windows 10, ito ang kanyang wallpaper. By default, sabihin, pag bagong installed ang inyong OS, yung Windows 10, ito ang ating wallpaper. Yung color blue na yan with the window shining from the outside. Yan. So that will be your wallpaper. But you can change this, your wallpaper, pwede niyang baguhin. Pwedeng picture mo, pwedeng picture ng family, pwedeng cartoons or anime, pwedeng mga kung ano-ano mga favorite places mo or things. So nasa iyo, whatever that you want to replace the wallpaper, pwede mong gawin. So ang gagawin mo lang, you just have to look for that image. Halimbawa, kung nakasave naman sa documents, kung nakasave sa My Pictures, you're just going to look for it, right-click that image file, and then choose Set Background. Yeah, set as a background. Okay, going here, ito na yung ating start button. Yan, kung ating ile-lens ito. So ganyan ang itsura niya sa pinakasulok. So this is where you can access all the programs of your computer. Actually, dito tayo na photo last Wednesday, the start button. So when you click this button, it will show you the entire programs menu. It will show you the entire programs menu, or yung start menu kung tawagin. You can also use this button to change the settings of your computer. So if you're going to click this, yan, if you're going to using your mouse, So you're just going to bring the pointer there at the right bottom corner. Pag na-click niyo yan, yan. So it will display the start menu. So the start menu will pop up. Ano? That will pop up and display the programs installed on your computer. So later I'm going to, dito tayo mag-focus sa start menu. No? I'm going to explain this furthermore later. Tapos na natin yung parts, no? Yung parts ng desktop. Yung bottom part, kung saan makikita natin start menu, is called the taskbar. Okay, this is where the start button is located. And the taskbar sits at the bottom of the screen. Yan, giving the user access to the start menu as well as all the icons na frequently used. Kasi Windows has the ability to run several programs at the same time. And the taskbar, itong taskbar na to, you can use this to switch. Pwede kayong mag-switch from one program to another. So kung halimbawa, nakabukas ang inyong PowerPoint, ito, nakabukas sa PowerPoint, nakabukas na ng Word. So gamit ang taskbar at ang inyong mouse, pwede nyo magpalit-palit ng program. Lastly is our notification area. This is the notification area, yung nasa right ng ating taskbar. So this provides a temporary source for notifications and status. And it also displays icons and program features that have no presence on the desktop. Tapos ito rin ay tinatawag na system tray. Okay? So sometimes, hindi pa sometimes, actually, yung other term for notification is system tray. Okay? As you can see, the notification area is located at the right end of the taskbar. Nasa right end siya. And it contains icons that you might find yourself selecting or pressing pretty often. So yung meron ng battery, Wi-Fi, yung battery lalabas lang yan if you're using a laptop. Yung Wi-Fi connection, the volume, clock and calendar, and action center. So it provides the status and notifications about things like incoming email, mga updates, and network connectivity. So let's take a closer look on the notification area. So these are the common icons found on the notification area. Okay? Doon tayo focus sa common, common icons lang muna. So this one, so what do you think is this? Yung may numbers na to. That's the?
Time.
That's the time. Tapos ito naman yung ilalim, yung ng time.
Date.
So that's the date. Diba?
Date.
Yung date ay February 15, 2022. The time is 10:13. So ang tawag dyan is the date and time control. Okay? Ang tawag dyan is date and time control. Well, of course, it displays the current date and the time. So yun ang kanyang purpose niya. For you to be able to see easily the date of the current date and time, kung ano mismo yung oras na ngayon. So yan. The next one is, this one, what do you think is this?
Volume.
Yes, that's a volume control. It's a volume control icon or button. So this enables you to adjust and change the volume level of your speaker or your headphone. Diba? As simple as that. Para kung gusto mo lang pahinaan or laksan yung volume, so you're going to use this one. Okay? How about yung nasa left ng volume control? Do you recall?
Battery.
No, not actually battery, Actually, okay, so ang itinawag ko dyan is installed device. Actually, ang picture niya, if you're going to take a look closer, mukha siyang flash drive. Diba?
I do
Flash
that.
drive. So USB yung pinakadulo niya, the USB connector, tapos yung body niya is yung memory ng flash drive. So ito naman, lumalabas lang yung icon na to or magkakaroon siya ng pop-up once mayroong bagong hardware na in-insert na-insert kasi yung mga USB ports ng inyong computer or your laptop. Okay? Sa install device. So let's say in-install mo yung printer bago lang install. That's the first time that you installed your printer on your laptop or on your desktop. So magpa-pop up ito and then lalagay diyan new install device. Yan. May magpa-pop up na ganun. Or nag-connect ka ng may kinabit ka na flash drive, ganun din, lalabas din siya. Pero kung halimbawa, wala ka naman ikinakabit sa USB port ng inyong computer, so this will just remain here. Meron diyang parang pyramid. So magtatago lang siya doon. And lastly, this one is the network. Okay? So the network icon shows in the notification area when the computer gets connected to the internet. So if you are connected, sino ba na naka-computer dito? Laptop or desktop? Si Yuri, anong gamit ni Yuri? Wala. Gadget ka. Si Cassie naka-computer, right? Laptop, desktop?
Desktop po.
Desktop. So yung desktop mo naka-LAN connection, right? Hindi siya naka-Wi-Fi.
Opo.
Okay. So pag Wi-Fi, pag wireless connection, ganito ang itsura ng icon. Okay? Yan. Ganyan ang itsura. Pag naka-LAN connection ka naman, ganyan ang itsura ng icon naman. How about yours, Cassie? Ganito ang itsura ng icon mo, ng network? Yes, no?
Yes po.
Yes. So again, if you're connected to the internet using LAN cable, so ganyan ang itsura ng icon ng network. But if you're connected to the internet through Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi nga pala means wireless fidelity. So yung WI, wireless, yung FI means fidelity. So if pag naka-Wi-Fi ka naman, so ito yung icon na makikita. Alright? Actually, this represents yung signal, yung lakas ng signal niya. So kung halimbawa, gaya niyan, mas marami yung white, it means malakas yung signal na nare-receive ng inyong laptop. Kung mahina naman, actually, these are bars, kung tutuusin, Kung halimbawa, nasa pinakabilog na, yun lang ang may white, ibig sabihin, napakahina nung signal na nare-receive ng inyong laptop. Right? So yun So yun ang mga ating mga most common or the common icons that could be found on your notification area. So yung una, this is a date and time control. This is the volume control, install device, and lastly, the network. Okay? Any question before we continue? Okay,
Wala
good.
po.
So, yun So medyo familiar na tayo sa desktop. So let's have a short discussion naman sa parts ng start menu. Okay? So yung sabi ko nila, start menu tayo. So yung nasa bottom ng screen is called the taskbar, right? Tapos yung nasa left niya, nasa leftmost part ng taskbar is the start button. So it displays a menu that lets you easily access the most useful items on your computer. So yun nga, sabi ko kanina, may magpa-pop up na ganito. Where you can see the different application softwares that are very useful to you. So yan. Please listen carefully. This is not on your module, okay? Makinig na mabuti. You can, if you have a paper with you or your pen, mas maganda magsulat kayo this time, okay? So this is not included on your module. Medyo siksikan na yung module kaya hindi ko na napasama to. Alright. So, having a closer look sa ating start menu, you can see the buttons. Yan. So, ito yung ating start menu, i-zoom ko lang siya. Okay, so, nag-mute muna. I-mute ko man si Cassie. Medyo maingay. Nanonood yata. Alright.
Saan po yun?
Okay. So, you can see the buttons. You can see button icons here at the left. Nasa left pane, left pane. Yan. first one, ito, yung tatlong lines na to, this is called the menu. Okay? Expandable siya, no? If you're going to click this one, mag-expand siya. Lalabas yung mga title nito. Yan, itong 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this is supposedly 5, ano? I just don't know bakit 4 lang yung nakita, yung napasama rito. Okay, so mag-expand siya, lalabas yung mga title nito. Pag-click itong tatlong lines, okay? So yung menu. Next is ito yung may picture. This is what we call account. All right? Account. So pag nag-click ka rito, you can lock your account or sign out from your PC. Or pwede ka rin mag-switch to another account or change your account picture by selecting your picture. Okay? On the left side of the start menu. Yan. So this is account. Next is File Explorer. Are you writing it down? Tanda na wala saan to, wala sa module. So this is used to access the letter, the reports, the notes, and the other kinds of documents stored in the computer's hard drive. So ito yung from which you can access all the files. Yan, File Explorer. So from the word itself, Explorer, if you're going to click it, may explore nyo ang mga files that are saved on your computer. So that's File Explorer. Okay, next is, if you're going to take a look closer, no? Ano sa tingin nyo to? Anong itsura niya? How can you describe it? Mukha siyang gear, di ba? So sa mga phone, yung gear icon, anong tawag?
Settings.
Yes. So ganun din, ano? Settings. Yan. So tinawag na rin siya settings ni Windows. Actually before, nung Windows 7 pa siya, ang tawag ay control panel. But this time, tinawag na siyang settings. So this button will bring you to the control panel of your OS. What do you mean by OS again? OS.
Operating system.
Yun, operating system. So this is used, the settings is used to change settings and customize the functionality of the computer. And lastly, so ito, nakikita nyo rin sa inyong phone. Ano kayang button ito?
F.
Okay, so that's a switch, that's a power button. So pwede kang mag-turn off, turn on ng inyong computer using this icon. So again, menu, account, file explorer, settings, and power. And over here, ito yung hinighlight ko ng color blue. Okay? Yung ibinox ko pala, I box at color blue. So ito naman yung ating mga, yung maraming icons na yan, ito yung applications natin. Right? So yan naman applications that are installed on your computer for you to use depending on what type of file you are going to create or edit. Okay? So yan yun. So nga pala, some commands or applications on the start menu have a down-facing arrow. So para siyang upside-down pyramid, which means it has additional choices available on a secondary menu. So if you place your pointer over an item na merong ganito, so a submenu will appear. So meron pa yan. Click this one, may lalabas pa diyang mga submenu. Alright? Or subcategory. Pwede pang ganon. Okay, start menu pa rin tayo. Okay, any questions about the left pane? Okay, maliwanag Malinaw. Sana nagsulat kayo kasi this will be included on your exams or on your quiz. I'm going to show you this part. Then may mga naka-arrow. Halimbawa, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ganon. And then you're going to tell me what are the, ano yung tawag sa mga parts na yon. So, ganon mangyayari sa quiz or in your exams. Alright, so as I had said, start menu pa rin tayo. Once you press the start button, So this start menu, so sometimes kasi ganito kalapat ang start menu, no? Okay, the start menu will pop up. So right next, sabi ko kanina, these are the list of programs installed on your computer. So ito yung ating mga applications. So the list of programs or the list of applications is divided into two parts. Okay, again, it is divided into two parts. The first is the programs displayed are the recent programs. Okay? Ito rin yung mga sabi natin frequently used na programs natin. Ano? So recent programs. So halimbawa, yung huli mong binuksan is the what's this? Games for Windows Marketplace. So dito siya mapupunta. Okay? So this is the recent programs. And the other one, so ito yung ilalim nito.
Sorry, I go out.
Go ahead. So ito naman yung all programs. All programs na siya, which is arranged alphabetically. So yung mga special symbols like this one, the microtorrent, nasa kaunahan siya, and then number, 3D viewer, and then letter A na. So access, what's this? Age of Empire. This is a game. Alarm and clocks. Alarms and clock, rather. AutoCAD, Autodesk, and then C na siya kagad siya. No? So ibig sabihin, wala siyang program na naka-install na that starts with the letter B. Kaya letter C na kagad. Okay. So I showed you this kasi on your module, next topic is how to open a program in Windows. Okay? Kaya ako pinakita yung mga yan. So recent programs, all programs. So first is, ganun nga, you have to start, you have to click the start button para makapagbukas. Okay. For you to be able to open a program in Windows, first is to click the start button. And then the start menu will pop out, showing all the applications that you may use. So using your mouse, this is the mouse pointer, nakikita nyo naman sa screen. Using your mouse, bring the mouse pointer to the application that you want to open. Halimbawa, gusto nyo i-open si Access. So just bring the mouse pointer over there and then press the left mouse button or what we call left click. Okay? So yon. So that's how to open a program gamit ang start button. So yan, ganun lang kadali, no? 2 steps lang. First is click the start button. Actually, 2 3 pala, 3 steps. Okay? Press the start button, and then the start menu will pop up. Next is to bring the mouse pointer to the program that you want to open. Actually, pwede nyo pang scroll down to. Pwede nyo pang scroll down yan. Okay? And then, left click. So yung pangalawa, no? Yung pangalawa is bring the mouse pointer to the program that you want to access. And then third is to press the left mouse button or the left click. Yan. So tatlo ang steps for you to be able to open a program. Simple lang naman, Simple lang yung pag-open ng program. Itinuro lang siya step by step. Actually, alam ko na alam niyo na to gawin. Alam niyo nang gawin yan. I just have to elaborate it. Okay, question. Sure? Don't have a question? Okay, actually this is not an assignment, but this is an activity for you to do now. Okay? So answer, let's do this, page 76. If you have it, yung module ba kayo naka-print or wala? Kung walang printed, okay lang. Pwede sa notebook, okay? Or sa papel. You need to redraw everything. Okay?